Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you about pharmacovigilance. Its introduction, advantages, different pharmacovigilance center in the India and reporting form of pharmacovigilance. So let's start with the pharmacovigilance. What is a pharmacovigilance? It is a combination of two Greek words. One is pharmakon and other is vigilator. Pharmakon means drug and vigilator means to be observant. So this pharmacovigilance, it means continuous monitoring for the unwanted effects and other safety related aspects of marketed drugs. Now the WHO definition of the pharmacovigilance. It is the science and activities that is related to the detection, assessment, understanding and prevention of adverse effects or any other drug related problems. Now the advantages of pharmacovigilance. Actually, not all hazards can be known before a drug is marketed and used by the general population. Additional risks or additional benefits are only identified after the drug is widely used by a large community of the people. Clinical trials that is conducted prior to the drug approval cannot uncover every aspect of the health of the approved drug. For example, teratogenic effects of thalidomide and isotretinoin were observed by the pharmacovigilance. Now, different pharmacovigilance center in the India. In India, National Pharmacovigilance Center has been set up in the AIIMS, New Delhi by Drugs Controller General of India under the Central Drugs Standard Control Organization or CDSCO. National Pharmacovigilance Center is linked downward with 2 zonal, 4 regional and 28 peripheral pharmacovigilance center. The information that is fed to any peripheral centers is forwarded to regional centers, which in turn pass this to the zonal centers. Zonal centers analyze these data and submit the report to the National Pharmacovigilance Center. Then the final generated data is then forwarded to the Global Pharmacovigilance Center, that is Uppsala Monitoring Center in the Sweden. It is a flowchart for the Pharmacovigilance Center. Now the National Pharmacovigilance Center that has been set in the AIIMS, New Delhi by Drug Controller General of India under the Central Drug Standard Control Organization or CDSCO. It is linked with the 2 zonal, 4 regional and 28 peripheral centers. Any information that is fed in the peripheral center is forwarded to the regional center. Regional center then forward to the zonal center. Zonal center analyze these whole data and then forwarded to the National Pharmacovigilance Center. Then National Pharmacovigilance Center forwarded it to the Global Pharmacovigilance Center, that is Uppsala Monitoring Center in the Sweden. Next one is suspected adverse drug reaction reporting form or reporting form for pharmacovigilance. Actually, it has 4 parts. One is a patient information. Another one is suspected adverse reaction. C part is suspected medication and D part is reporter, or it is a reporter section. Now the first one is a patient information, in which patient name, age, sex and weight should be filled, and then suspected adverse reaction, date of recovery, describe the reaction or problem, then suspected medication should be filled, and then after all of this, reporter section will be filled. Now this is whole about the pharmacovigilance. That's all. Thank you.